Oh no, I want to drink some wine, but I don't know where to start. I want to drink some red wine, but I don't know where to start. Well, here's some to start with. Hey, welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. We're going to go through a few wine types that I think are great for beginners if people are getting started in red wine. I often get asked the question of, hey, I'm trying to get into wine, like where should I start? And when it comes to red wines, I generally start people down a specific path. I have 3 easy wins and then one that if you're good with those first 3, you start graduating to number 4 and becoming a little more comfortable with red wine. I think when it comes to introducing people to wine, we have to make it straightforward and as simple as possible. So we want wines that have simple flavors, that are really good fruity wines. They can be different styles and weights, and they are, right? The ones I discuss are different styles and weights, but they have to be fruity. You don't want to start off with an earthy, dirty, red from France that is going to, turn people off because they'll be like, why does this smell like the inside of a barn? Why does it smell like dirt? I'm not getting it, right? You got to start them at, with a lot of fruit, a lot of friendly fruit, and then we can progress into earthy and savory later on. Obviously, these wines have to have reasonable price points because you want to gather several to taste through. You want to have early successes, right? It's just like anything in life. You get a few small successes and then you build. If you end up like pointing people towards spending $30 a bottle, they're not going to want to experiment with that one, right off the bat. So reasonable prices under the $20 mark generally. I think, like I've said in the past, right, we have to treat wine like a treasure hunt, and this is the beginning of your treasure hunt. So where would I start if I wanted to start in red wine? The first place I would go is Gamay. So I would look at gathering or getting a couple of Beaujolais bottles. If you happen to find a Grand Cru Beaujolais on sale, go for it. But I'd look at some Beaujolais Village, those types of wines, because those are going to be light, very fruity, very friendly, and a good start that can get people going in the right frame of mind. Next, what I would suggest is looking at Grenache. Perhaps some Grenache from Spain, right? Those are going to be the more or better values, and generally very friendly. Again, still in the red fruit realm, not too much in the way of earthiness. They're going to be a little bigger than a Gamay, so you're kind of moving up that weight scale. But they're going to be friendly and easy to drink, and a fun experience as a next step. A third wine that I would recommend trying as a new red wine drinker is a Zinfandel. Certainly, plenty of California Zinfandels out there that you can get, and they're really easy to drink. They have a little weight, but the tannins on them are friendly, and that's an important part of these wines as well, is that you don't want people walking around with like cotton mouth and being like, why do I have this strange feeling in my mouth when they start drinking wine? Again, that comes in time because some of the bigger wines do have that tannic grip. Zinfandel is going to be a perfect one to progress the journey. And then last, and this one is going to be probably a little controversial, but I think Syrah is an excellent big wine that you can start with, and that tend to be more. I find them more friendly than a Cabernet Sauvignon, which is again, you could kind of look at either of those as a good entry level wine. I like the idea of Syrah. I think you can find plenty of well-priced Syrahs. Go get maybe for all these. Maybe not all these, because I don't know that Bogle makes a Gamay, but you can grab a Bogle Syrah, and that's going to be a really nice experience. You're going to feel the weight of the bigger wine, right? I wouldn't do this one first. I definitely do this one as part of a progression, but that's where I would start the new wine drinkers. I would love to know what you think, right? Where would you start a wine journey? What are some beginner wines that you recommend, that you see as good fits? If you're curious about the how I would go about introducing people to white wine, watch this video right here. And I'll be sure to check in with you guys soon. Thanks again for watching. What are a few red wines that people should start with if they are starting their journey in red wine today? I'll give you 4 suggestions.